This is Pallavi and you are watching Let's Learn with Leah. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I have dealt with class 12 planning for text. I was dealing with the first chapter, the last lesson. Then I discussed the poem My Mother is 66. And after that, I was taking up the subject of writing skill. And in the writing skill section, I was dealing with invitation writing. And first of all, I would like to thank all of you for your comments, and also I would like to thank to all the viewers for sending me mails asking for more videos and asking for questions. Thanks a lot for all that. And today this will be the last part of invitation writing, and this is invitation reply. We have done in the previous videos invitation writing, formal printed invitation, then non-printed invitation, and then we have also seen how we present, how we write informal invitation as well. So in this video today, you will be seeing how invitation replies are written. In examples, if you see the CBSE question papers, you will be finding there questions where they ask you to write a reply. Suppose somebody had given you an invitation and they will ask you to give a response to it. So we will learn here how we should respond, how we should write a reply to invitation. And we know that invitation writing has got 4 marks in it, and formal invitation, formal printed invitation, we need to write in a box, we have to use third person and all that. If you have not seen, anybody of you have not seen my previous videos, do watch it, it will surely help you. So here we will deal with invitation reply. You can see here I have written over it. Invitation reply again has 2 parts. One is formal reply and another one is informal reply. Then formal reply again is divided into 2 sections, that is printed, non-printed, right? And then printed reply, again there are 2 types of reply: formal reply of acceptance and formal reply of refusal. I'll come to it later, what is acceptance and what is refusal. Then we have informal reply. Informal reply, as I have written over there, it is like a letter format. We will deal with it later on. So first, let us come to the formal one. Fine. So formal replies, they are divided into 2 parts. Printed, again, just like in invitation writing, we have printed, non-printed invitation. In the same way, in the case of replies also, we have 2 parts, that is printed reply and non-printed reply. Now let us first deal with the printed one. Printed replies, invitation replies, as you can see, it is also inside the box. It should be inside the box. Then informal printed replies, you cannot use the first person, you will have to use the third person. These are 2 basic things that you have to keep in mind when writing in printed replies. Well, now print reply, formal replies has got 2 sections. One is formal reply of acceptance and formal reply of regret. Now when do we write formal reply of acceptance? Well, suppose you have got an invitation, and in my previous videos I have given a question where Mr. and Mrs. Saxena invites the friends and relatives for their daughter's marriage. Suppose you have got that invitation by Mr. and Mrs. Saxena. Now you are sure and you are planning that you will attend the marriage ceremony. So before attending that function, before attending that ceremony, you would just like to make a confirmation, you just like to send a small reply to Mr. and Mrs. Saxena that you will be there with them, you will join them in the marriage. So when you want to give a positive reply, then we write formal reply of acceptance. Okay, that is accepting, because you are accepting the invitation. They have given you the invitation and you will acceptance. Another one is refusal. Suppose, let us deal with the same question. You have got the invitation from Mr. and Mrs. Saxena for their daughter's marriage, but unfortunately, on that particular day when there is the marriage, you have some other work. You suppose you have already taken an appointment with the doctor, or you have some other things to do which is very important for you, and you will not be able to attend the marriage ceremony, suppose. So in that case, what you will do, you will give a reply to Mr. and Mrs. Saxena that you are very happy to get the invitation from them for their daughter's marriage, but unfortunately, although you want it, but you will not be able to attend the marriage. So you will write a short note to the family that you will not be able to attend the marriage, and later on, whenever you will get time, you will be visiting them, and you will also wish the couple a happy married life, like that. So it's not necessary always you will get an invitation on marriage. It may be on any thing. It may be a birthday party, it may be any other thing. So we need to write replies back to the person who is inviting. So it may be an acceptance reply, it may be a refusal reply. So therefore we have formal reply of acceptance, formal reply of refusal. Now since it is printed, keep in mind, it is printed acceptance, it will be printed refusal. Therefore it should be again in a box, as I have told earlier, and you have to use third person. Definitely I will show you in my next videos how to present, how to write this acceptance reply, refusal reply. Then we have non-printed, formal non-printed reply. This is just like a simple letter format that I have shown one example. So it's a letter format, and but although it is although it is non-printed, you have to put the subject. It's a letter format, it will be in the letter format, but you have to put the subject in, right? Then we have the informal replies. So informal replies is very simple. It is just a short one. It's just like personal letters. It's a letter format, and there is no need to give the subject there. I hope you are clear with it. So formal, informal, formal again we have printed, non-printed. Then printed invitation replies, we have acceptance reply, we have refusal reply, of which I'll show you the format in my coming videos. The non-printed is letter format but with subject. Informal is again letter format but without subject. Fine. So this is the introduction about invitation replies, what are its different parts. So do keep watching my videos, and my next video I will deal with the formal invitation reply. Keep watching. Thank you.